Good morning, ladies and gentlefish. It is Tuesday, February the 9th, I think. It's actually Saturday, so I'm recording this early, but you're still going to get the point either way. So the first thing that you're going to do is I'm sorry, my fiance is sitting right next to me. He's being a jerk and doing silly stuff so that I can't focus. All right. So today you're going to work on project proposal phase 1. And all it is a series of questions about the topic you're going to research. And the first and foremost, most important question is, what are you going to study? This is not, what are you going to tell Miss B what she wants to hear? This is, what is something that is really interesting to me that I want to focus on? It can be a career that you're interested in pursuing. It can be a topic that you're really fascinated by, an animal that you're really fascinated by. But as you can see in this second question, it needs to be specific. So don't just put animals. Talk about a specific animal that you want to research and what it is about it that you want to research. So the life of a great white shark is a specific topic. So I want to study Disney, but I don't want to just study Disney. I want to specifically study the history of the Disney company, not Walt Disney, not Walt Disney World, but the company as a whole. All right. And then you're going to talk about what is the purpose of your research. Purpose is one of three things. Remember when we talked about author's purpose: to persuade, inform, or entertain. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you that the purpose of this research shouldn't be to entertain. When you wrote your narrative writing pieces, your short stories, that was to entertain. This time, you should probably stay somewhere between persuade and inform. So, my purpose is to inform my audience about the history of the Disney company. Then let's talk about text structure. So you have one of 6 options when it comes to your text structure. And you have to really think about what I'm trying to study. So if I'm studying the history of the Disney company, I'm going to be looking at it in a chronological text structure because I'm looking at it in order of time, when it started and how it's changed over the years. If you're looking at the lifestyle of a great white shark, you're going to be looking descriptively because you're looking at how it lives, what it eats, what it looks like. That's all descriptive stuff. All right. Then you're going to create a graphic organizer based on your text structure. So if I'm doing chronological, I'm going to draw a timeline here. As you see, you don't have to put any information in it yet. I just want you to know what kind of graphic organizer you're going to use and create a sample one here. All right. It doesn't have to have any information in it yet. All right. Tell me why you want to study that topic and be honest. I want to study Disney because I freaking love Disney. It is my favorite thing. Pretty much. So I want to study it because it's just an amazing topic and it has interested me most of my life. All right. And what artifact could you potentially create that would show your knowledge of the subject? Your artifact is some kind of physical creation. So if if I'm studying the history of Disney, I could make a small version of the Epcot globe. If you've ever been to Walt Disney World, you know what that is. It's like this weird silver globe that has all these little spikes in it. So I could create one of those, something like that. It has to be a physical, tangible item that you create. Last year, I had a student that studied the bubonic plague and created a doctor's mask, a plague mask, so kind of that duckbill looking thing. So that is project proposal phase 1. I want you to really think about these things. This is the time to start finding your focus. All right. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, I will catch you on the flip side. Bye.